Good Saturday, everyone. The National Weather Service every month issues a climate summary for the previous month, just to kind of summarize what all happened, during that month. And they have done that now for September. So you see there the statistics for Nashville, then Clarksville, then Crossville. And Crossville is probably the one if you're listening to me, you're probably most interested in that one because Crossville is the only official National Weather Service reporting station up here on top of the plateau. In all of Cumberland and Fentress County, Crossville has the one official recording station. That's the Crossville Airport. Morgan County doesn't have an official site either. Neither does Overton or Pickett. So Crossville, you see there, we're about 1.5 degrees above normal for both the high and the low. And we ended the month right at 5 inches of precipitation, which is almost an inch above normal. You may have had a little bit more, a little bit less at your place, but again, this is at that Crossville Airport, which is that official recording station. B&H Storm Shelters, our newest sponsor. Give them a call, look them up online, Facebook, see what they can do to keep you safe in the storm. They have some awesome storm shelters that they can fix you up with. Upper Cumberland Federal Credit Union bring us our headlines. Pleasant weather through the weekend. Slight chance for rain on Sunday. I've added a 20% chance to my forecast. Just looking at some of the latest data, we've got some warm, humid air moving in. Couple that with the plateau, I think that's going to be enough to spark off a shower or two. Better rain chances, though, come next week. I'm always watching the tropics this time of the year, but especially right now because they're becoming a bit active. And that's what the National Hurricane Center shows on their graphic. There's an area in the Gulf, an area in the Bahamas. You see those delineated there with a yellow X. Those are probably not going to become anything, but they're just being monitored just in case. Now, that orange shaded region you see out there in the Atlantic, that will likely become our next named storm. The earliest indications are that it will probably curve out to sea, but it's far too soon to know for sure. So that will be monitored very closely. Don't forget the Meteorologist Smart Classroom giveaways. Already had 2 teachers receive these giveaways. That's always exciting and fun to send their way. So get registered today. All you got to do is fill out a short form, and then I randomly draw the names, and we get you some stuff sent to your classroom. Clear Your Closet and Blind brings us our 5-day forecast. Mostly sunny for Saturday. Highs in the upper 70s. What an awesome day to get outside. Sunday, warmer, it's going to feel warmer, I should say, because the humidity is going to start increasing. And that is why I believe we're going to have a 20% chance for a rain shower. There will be an isolated shower or two somewhere in our region on Sunday. Nothing to cancel outdoor plans over, but just something to keep in the back of your mind. We stepped that up to 30% chance for showers on Monday, and then 50% on Tuesday, and then 70% on Wednesday. And that's with a frontal passage coming through. So we'll have some showers and thunderstorms around the area for sure by then. So if you've been needing some rain, you've got some chances coming. And thankfully, with those rain chances, it doesn't look like we'll have severe weather. So Premier Generator is bringing us our severe weather threat graphic. I am monitoring that closely because this time of the year, we do have a secondary peak in severe weather in the fall months. But right now, that front's looking like it's going to behave itself. But that's something to keep an eye on. Weichert Realtors bringing us our extended threats. Still nothing in the offing, but I will keep an eye on that as well. We all know this graphic will certainly change in time. Bramble Travel bringing us our On This Day in History. 1777, the Battle of Germantown was fought in a morning fog that grew more dense with the smoke of battle, causing great confusion. Americans firing at each other contributed to the loss of the battle. 1954, high temperature at Crossville hits 86 degrees, setting a new record for October. 86. Woo. In 1957, the Soviet Union launches Sputnik 1. I put you a little graphic there what Sputnik looked like. The first artificial Earth satellite into an elliptical low Earth orbit, beating us to that part of the space race, but we made up for it later on. Don't forget your Skywarn spotter classes. I've been sharing this on the app and website, but the next one coming up, it looks like October 7th. So you get your basic storm spotter training. You can do it online. And get that training taken care of and be a storm spotter. You folks have a wonderful Saturday and keep looking up. Don't forget to remember the Bigfoot Festival coming in 2 weeks. That's the festival that I created and direct, and we raise money for nonprofits. This year, every dime goes to veterans. So with unaffordable home repairs, that'll be at the Cumberland County Fairgrounds 2 weeks from today from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. And we are looking to have a good time and raise money for a great cause. Go to the website ucbigfoot.com or just Google Upper Cumberland Bigfoot Festival and we'll pop right up there. You can check out all the things we have planned. It's going to be a good time. You folks have a wonderful day and keep looking up. And for more weather information, meteorologistmark.com.